to another version with you girl, the fashionable Hannah. Today we are doing a lookbook on Mother's Day. You all know Mother's Day is coming up, and this is a special day in the lives of all mothers, be it those who have had babies or those who have not had babies. Just the fact that you have a heart of a mother, you are supposed to be celebrated. In the United States this year, Mother's Day is going to be celebrated on the 14th of May. If you're new to this channel and you love fashion, makeup, beauty, family, please don't forget to subscribe below and turn on your notification bell so that you're not going to miss any of my videos. So, okay, thank you all for watching. Today we're having a Mother's Day lookbook and hope you enjoy this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. And yes, this is our first look for Mother's Day. This is a MAXI flowy spring light pink dress. Pink is spring color, as you all know. It's bright and it's gonna bring out that feminine modern look. It is sexy, at the same time it is decent. It has some shoulder pads over here and it's long. It doesn't hug my body too much, but I like the fact that you can still see my shape wearing this on. Actually, I paired this dress with a belt, lion chain belt, black, to give it a more sexy and nice look. You don't really need shoes, as this dress is a flowy dress. Bag is from Zara. This is my clutch. Bag is from Zara, and you all know your girl has lashes from your favorite girl, the fashionable Hannah. If you need some lashes or some tips on how to do your makeup, don't forget to put in the description below. So this is it for our look number one, giving rich auntie mother look. This dress is super stretchy, like, see, even if you're a size 14, you're gonna be able to put this on. So it's classy, at the same time it's decent. This is our first Mother's Day look, given the rich vibes. And how you're gonna break this dress, and it's fitting on my body with the shoulder pads. And yeah, and here is the second look or outfit for Mother's Day in our lookbook. This is a white blazer. It's a Tahari blazer, double-breasted blazer. I paired it up with a little bustier and some pleated satin skirts, maxi long skirt. You all know that long skirts give sexy, decent, but you're still standing out kind of look. Especially as a mother, you want to cover up a little bit. And this skirt is pleated. You all know satin means it's a rich, smooth kind of fabric which is pleated, and it's giving an elegant vibe. So yeah, you could actually, you know, pull up your blazer hands a little bit to give it more style. Or yeah, so this time I decided to go with green mother, and you do so much to stay connected to your loved ones or to your family to stand out as a mother. So I'll advise everybody to get this green pleated satin skirt. It's from Shein. I'm gonna put it in the description box below, and I put on my white pumps. So yes, this is it for outlook number two. I'm feeling this rich, classy, elegant, magnificent look, and this is it. You don't want to be basic, so pull up the hands of your blazer to give it some style. You could button up, which is still gonna make it look really bougie, as you guys can see. But yeah, whatever way you want to wear it, it's still good. So which way are you gonna prefer it, button or unbutton? And thank you. This is it for outfit number two. And this is the third outfit for our Mother's Day lookbook. This is an Antonio Melanie off the shoulder balloon coffee butterfly dress, which is in floral and peach. I love me such a colorful color for Mother's Day, and it has a little theme of white because it signifies purity. Mothers are pure, mothers are who we are. We go out of our way for our children and rub through the mud for everybody in the family. So yes, we are celebrating Mother's Day with this. This is an off-the-shoulder dress. I love this dress. I love the fact that it's peach. I love the fact that it's MIDI and not too sexy. You could put it on to church. You could put it on for a lunch date with your family. You could put it on for dinner or whatever to go out on Mother's Day. Pair this up with a little bit of a tan bag and my nude shoes and my nude jewelry. So yes, this is it for our look number 3. How you guys feeling this look? Church kind of look, decent. You could put this on to work. Yeah, to work too because you're decent. So yeah, and for a wedding too. So you guys don't forget that. We are mothers and Mother's Day is a Sunday. Don't forget to go to church. Get this from Antonio Melanie. You can get this at Macy's or Deluxe. So yeah, this is it for outfit number 3. And this is our final outfit for the Mother's Day lookbook number 4. I put this up together. I wore a bustier and I paired this up. This is a bustier from Nova, and this is a MAXI see-through sheer skirt from Zara. This is one of the most classic things. I bought it about 3 years ago, so you're not gonna find it online, but this is a see-through tulle MAXI sheer skirt. It is really classy. I've been longing to wear it, but guess what? This Mother's Day I'm gonna put it on just like the way I'm showing you guys because it is free, it is sexy, but still covers the most part of your body. It is see-through, as you guys can see. So underneath I kind of put on a corset short inside, black a thong inside, which is short. I think you guys can see it through, and this kind of like gives me some shape. Paired it up with my black clutch and my tiger pumps. So this is look number 4. It is giving street girl kind of look for a young sexy mother who is going out to celebrate with her family, with her loved one, because she is a hero, she is a superstar, and she needs to be celebrated. You have to dress up, show up, and show out. And this is it for our look number 4. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more in my channel. These are the 4 outlooks I put today for Mother's Day 2023. Give your girl a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe, and show your girl some love. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. So thank you, and see you all next time. Thank you for all the love, the support, the likes, the comments, the shares. This means so much to my heart. As you all know, your girl just started a YouTube channel a year ago, and I'm moving up the ladder. Yeah.